A global street food quest unfolds as a traveler traces sizzling stalls from dawn markets to moonlit riverside barbecues. In Lagos, suya over charcoal reveals communal rites of sharing while elders swap stories about fire, spice, and family. In Osaka's backstreets, takoyaki becomes a theater where dab spoon theatrics meet the sea's umami in every bite. In Istanbul's markets, simit and ayran thread centuries of caravans through a modern city, inviting neighbors to share morning laughter. The series honors these dishes as living stories that map migration, memory, and belonging across continents and plates.